Dude, we just walked like 18 miles. The speed run's over. You already lost too much time back in the cave. How do I jump this? Jason, I can't make it. I don't know how. Jason, no. Okay, I got it. That's a tricky jump. Please give me food. Please stop running. I can't keep up with you. My thumb hurts so bad and I'm out of stamina. Jason, this isn't a time for reading. Oh, hell yeah. I got some rocks, don't worry. Oh, fuck, I think... Oh, shit. I think I messed it up. I'm sorry, I'm trying to help. A rock and a rope. How about that? Oh, hey, what is this? Yo, I just made a fucking rock thing. Hell yeah. Oh shit, it's date. Oh shit. Damn, man. This is cool. How'd you make this? Whoa! Jason, you literally just fucking almost killed me. Gee, please. I need food. I'm dying. Jason. Jason. Please. I need food, bro. I'll work on this. Go get me food. Hey, I'm hungry, man. Oh. I got food. No thanks to you, Jason. Jason, how do I cook this food? Ow, fuck. Fuck. Jason. Jason. Jason, I need help. How do I cook this food? Oh, check this one out. Jason, look at this. Hey, look at this fish. Okay, just read your fucking book, whatever. We need to go get a turtle shell? What the fuck? Oh, nice beach trip. Spring break. Show me your titties, Jason. Hold on, Jason. I got this. I got this. Don't move. Oh, I was gonna do that. Jason, I got a deer. What the fuck? Yo, check it out. What are you? Jason, fuck. Oh shit, what'd you find, dude? Oh, you got a turtle. Damn, rest in peace. Oh, I don't like this, Jason. I have a Ted, Jason. What the fuck? We just murdered a turtle, dude. You know they're like extinct? Endangered? Oh no, my turtle head. Oh shit. I got too much meat on me. I got too much meat. Where's the turtle head? This is beautiful, man. Just two dudes being bros. In the woods. Stick, rope, and cloth make bow. Stick, rope, and cloth make bow. Stick, rope, cloth. Oh shit, let's go, baby. Oh man. Yo, you see this armor I got? Look how cool fucking sweet I look. Oh, you got some too. That's cool. Now, let's go to bed. This is whoa. Bro, are you gonna eat that? Bro, you're scaring me a little bit, alright? Bone, tape. Tape? Ah! Tape and stick and cloth. Hell yeah! Bro, I'm about to fucking... Oh! There's deer. Shit. Oh, dude, look at. Oh, man. There's a bird on my shit. That was sick. This game's dope. I feel like I'm one with nature. I'm one with the world. My son is dead. My baby mama is non-existent. It's just me and Jay Swan in the beautiful wilderness. Right, buddy? Right. Jay Swan, where are you? Hey! Dude, the next bird that lands on this fucking birdhouse is so it's just gonna be decimated. Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie. Oh! Damn it. Come over here. Dude, your birdhouse is absolute dog shit. Incendiary. Oh my god, what, dude? Yo! Yo! Holy shit! Bro. You see this shit? I gotta fucking... Yo, you wish. You wish you had this. Let's go to boat. Yo, there's a boat? Holy shit, let's fucking go, man. Quit wasting time. What the fuck? Let's go. What's up, pussies? Oh, fuck. Old gun. What, dude? Yeah, what is this? What the fuck? Yo, I want a gun. The boat. Nice. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's be pirates. Yes! I got it! Jay Swan. Check it out. What the fuck? What? Where did you get a fucking shark head? What the fuck? What the fuck? No, I got it! Oh my god, I fucking found it. Yes. Hell yeah, dude! Oh, this game is sick. Ahoy, me mateys! Oh, dude, we got like a little tiki torch and shit. This is sick. This game's dope. Oh, shit. So that's where you got the shark head from. Take him out, Jay Swan. Now, fuck it. I got this shit. What's up, bitch? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Shit, 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 shit. Good luck. Hey, you got this. You got this, man. You got this. I know you got... Oh! Oh, shit. Oh. Swan, help. Jay Swan. Help me. Oh, fuck. Oh. Yo, my man. My fucking man. Whew. That was a close one, wasn't it? Glad I came in clutch.